Hi, I'm Nick DeLiba, Product Manager of Respiratory Equipment at Drive Medical. This video covers the sieve bed replacement procedure for the SIMO2 portable oxygen concentrator. Sieve beds are the internal components responsible for separating oxygen from room air. Please note, this procedure should only be performed by a qualified individual or when maintenance is required. First, you will need the replacement sieve bed column assembly and the L-shaped tool that was included with this assembly. The L tool has two functional ends, a flat blade screwdriver end and a threaded end. Both will be used during this procedure. Do not use any sieve beds other than those specified for this device, as unauthorized parts may create a safety hazard and void the warranty. Begin by turning off the SIMO2. Press and hold the power button for approximately 2 seconds until the device shuts down completely. If the device is in a carry bag, remove it and place it on a clean, flat work surface. Remove the battery from the device by grasping the battery cap and pulling straight forward until it releases. Set this battery aside. With the battery removed, place the device on its side so that the underside is clearly visible. The device must be fully powered down and the battery removed before proceeding. With the flat blade screwdriver, remove the sieve bed access door from the underside of the device. Set the door aside. You will reinstall it at the end of this procedure. With the door removed, you can now see the metal column assembly on one side of the device. This is the sieve bed column that will be replaced. Use the flat blade end of the L tool to remove the middle screw located at the bottom of the column. Keep this screw. It will be reused for the new column assembly. Take the threaded end of the L tool and screw it into the screw hole on the sieve bed column. This gives you the mechanical leverage needed to push the column free from the seat inside of the device. With the threaded end engaged, pull the column straight forward to remove it completely. Dispose of the old column in accordance to your local regulations. Take your replacement column assembly. You'll notice the dust caps on both ends of the column. These protect the sieve material during shipping and storage. Remove the dust caps immediately before insertion. Inspect the area where caps are seated to ensure that there is no dust or debris present. The column assembly should be inserted into the device as soon as those dust caps are removed. Insert the new column assembly into the device in the same orientation in which it was removed. Push the column firmly downward until it is fully seated into the POC. Using the flat blade end of the L tool, fasten the screw to the bottom of the sieve bed to securely assemble it in place. Reinstall the sieve bed access door on the underside of the device. Reconnect the AC power supply cord to the SIMO2 and plug it into a functioning electrical outlet. Power on the device by pressing and holding the power button. Allow it to complete its startup sequence. Once the device is running, press the function button to enter the main menu. Press the plus button to navigate and highlight the sieve icon. Press the function button again to enter the sieve settings screen. You will see the sieve life value displayed in hours. Now, press and hold both the plus and minus buttons simultaneously for approximately 5 seconds until the sieve bed life value resets at 0 hours. This confirms that the counter has been cleared for the new sieve bed. Press the minus button to exit back to the normal operating screen. The device should now display normal running. Allow the device to run for the approximate 2-minute warm-up period. Confirm that the display shows normal running, that no alarms are active, and that the green oxygen breath indicator lights are flashing with each breath cycle. This confirms the replacement was successful. Once confirmed, the device is ready to return to service. Reinstall the battery and ensure that the particle filters are in place. Finally, document the sieve bed replacement for your service records and preventative maintenance schedules. That completes the sieve bed replacement procedure for the SIMO2 portable oxygen concentrator. For replacement sieve bed assemblies or additional service support, contact your local equipment provider or Drive customer service at 877-224-0946. Thank you.